Hey guys, we received this Zon-li cooling comforter for test and try. So it's a bamboo viscose with a lightweight, breathable, soft summer blanket for hot sleepers. So you can see comes in a really nice gift box. I like this gift box a lot. It's a heavy duty box with a Zon-li thing, so you can give it as a gift to your friends or others. So it looks really nice. So let me just take out this material in. This is just manuals and stuff. Let's just focus on the comforter. Um, so here this comes in a little vacuum packed and also a packing box here with a nice muslin cloth. So you can store this blanket in this white muslin cloth like if it's of no use. And this is also a very soft, nice material with the logo. So my impression is a premium quality things that keep in mind with this drink case, nice gift box and this premium packing one. So let's open this pack. So opening this pack, my impression on the material is a very soft material, and this have like two-sided, so you can use it for the both side. So design side and the plain side. So this is the blue color that we received, and this is a cooler feel on the top. So as you can see, like I really like this cool touch and a very comfortable material thing. So the feeling in this summer for the cool stuff is really nice. So and this is a king size, so really a good size. So I this is a king bed, and I will try to put on top of it so I can show you how long this size is. So but the impression from right now from the top is that there's a nice design in here with the material premium quality built stuff, and then also this have a really breathable fabric. So hope you stay and see this thing. So even if you just sleep in this, so the impression is that it's a cool and the cooling impact with this blanket. So good for the hot sleepers that feel like they feel hot, or the memory foam where you feel the heat, and then you can have this blanket for that cool impact. So this is my king bed, and when I spread this comforter on top of it, this cooling comforter, it is almost 12 to 15 inches larger or longer than my king bed size, so from all the sides. So you can experience like the length and size is of good one. It can easily good there with the anti-snagging or ease of cleaning. So it's pretty much nice cooling blanket and is very helpful for the summer, and hope you like this too and good as a gift to someone as well.